Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Avinash and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a professional resume or CV using Canva. So for that we need to go to the website first from a web browser, or if you want to use this in your mobile phone then you can also download the application from the App Store or from the Play Store. It's totally free. Now, once you are in the website canva.com, you need to click create a design first. Then you can search here for resume, or you can type CV also. So click in resume, and in the new tab, your resumes are getting ready to choose. Canva has thousands of templates and designs you can choose from. There are few of them are not free, you have to purchase them, but maximum are free. You can use the free ones also. Now you can see designs are getting ready. Now I just have to choose any of one design. So I will choose, let's say, suppose I choose this one. Now here I am. Now I can zoom this. If you want to edit, you have to zoom. Now you can see your contact information like phone number, email ID, address. You don't need to put anything. You just have to put the details. Like you have to edit the details, and all the things have already it's been here. So you don't need to do anything. If you want to add something, then you can add a new page. Then you can add many things if you want. But in a single page, you can do it by yourself. It's already, if you are a very freshers, you don't have idea of making a resume in any format or any like in Excel or somewhere else, you can use Canva. They have a very unique designs. They have latest designs. You can use them. So now going forward, you can see the image. In this section, you need to add an image. So if you are using in a mobile phone, you can simply upload an image. Or if you are using from a desktop, then you can do one thing. You can go to the drive. In the drive, you can just drag this. You just need to drag the image. I'll show you here. Now you can see my image, and I will put this here, and now my image is uploaded. Now it's very simple. I just have to put the details here like my name. You can see now in the same way you can add all the details like job postings here, reference here, and all the things, experience. You can do it anything. So once it's done editing, you can click in share option, then click on download. Then you can see file type option. In the file type, you can select JPG or PNG or PDF, whatever you want. Many of us, we need PDF format because many companies want CVs in, or sorry, in the resume in PDF format. So you can select PDF as well. So if you select PDF or anything else, you can select them and you can click download, and it's getting ready for download. And now once it's done, it will ask the download location. I will choose my desktop location and save this. Now I'll show you. Now you can see my CV is ready here. I can use this anywhere. I can, if you want, you can print this, or if you want to mail this anywhere, you can mail this. So in the same way, you can choose any design and edit them and use them. It's very simple. So as you know the trick, you can go to website or the application, you can do it by yourself. And if you have any questions related to this, please ask me on the comment section, and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. And meanwhile, thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.